Yeah, hello friends. We have with us Dr. Balbinder Singh Pathania ji. He is the Executive Director of Dronacharya PG College from Kangra. We welcome you, sir, in today's event.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please introduce yourself and your institute, sir.
Uh, I'm Dr. Balbinder Pathania from Dronacharya PG College of Education at Kangra, Himachal Pradesh. We are running our college from last 2006 and we got B.Ed, M.Ed, BBA, BCA, PGDCA, BCom. And I'm very happy and want to appreciate Adorcom Media Private Limited. हमारे फाउंडर हमारे साथ हैं कुमार चंदन आनंद. I want to appreciate him that he is bringing all education leaders from school to higher education, and there's a lot of exchange learning and through latest technology. I want to appreciate that number of expert from the various schools, various colleges. They are sharing, exchanging the idea, and this initiative really empower the learning, and it will go to the children's, to the students, and this will lead to a empowered citizen. Ultimately,
Right.
the objective of the education and this they are meeting out, going to the various, even Jammu. I would like to invite sir to the Himachal Dharamshala.
Yeah.
There also he can do a such kind of a event where there's a lot of learning. I'm finding most of the software companies who are uh, informing us the various product which is going to add value in the students life and institutional and students growth.
Right.
So skilling, upskilling and reskilling, it is the need of the hour, and employment is also the biggest issue. So मुझे लगता है कि स्कूल लेवल पे, कॉलेज लेवल पे
जी.
चंदन साहब का जो इनिशिएटिव है एंड जो एक थॉट वो लेके चल रहे हैं कि वी विल रीच टू मैनी पीपल.
जी.
सो बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Thank you,
एंड
sir.
आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग हियर इन जम्मू,
जी.
there's a lot of thing I'm carrying with me
जी.
and sharing with my faculty and students.
Right.
And yes, it is going to give a big impact.
राइट. आपने सर डिजिटल इंडिया इन हिमालयाज में बहुत अच्छा स्पीच दिया. और एनी इनिशिएटिव्स विच यू वुड लाइक टू गिव दैट इन डिजिटल इंडिया हिमालयाज, व्हाट आर द इनिशिएटिव्स अंडर योर लीडरशिप योर इंस्टीट्यूट हैज टेकन, सर?
Uh, yes, in the schools where we belong, it is the village area. So our BCA department empowering students through the uh, blended learning,
Great.
some technology, they are giving basic computer applications.
Okay.
So the idea which I got from your side,
Sir.
that yes, we can sponsor a few students, those who are very good from the government
Very good.
schools,
Yes.
and bring to them in a college level,
Yeah.
and some kind of internship. Yeah, during their internship, yeah, summer vacations,
Right.
winter vacations.
Right.
So some kind of a module.
Right.
Right. So when they go back to the schools,
Sir.
then they will exchange to their colleagues.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
that message,
Correct.
that's what we can do it.
Yeah. So what is the takeaway of today's event?
The takeaway of today event is accelerating educations
Nice.
through technology
Yeah.
and learning, exchange, and new skills, which provides us the employment
Absolutely.
and employment to the students. So how we can have a better networking
Absolutely, sir.
from the team from Bangalore, There are multinational companies where
Understand.
I have seen and they have initiated कि yes,
Yeah.
आपका data analytics को
Yeah.
include करिए
Yeah.
in your BBA course. So I want to appreciate the initiative which you have carried forward. Yes, there's a lot of learning, network also, and through some events we can also include in our institution.
And I am very glad to share that sir, we recently completed our 4th year. So this is our 4th anniversary going on. And any message or any good wishes for our anniversary would you like to give?
सो वंडरफुल आई वांट टू अप्रिशिएट अभी तो आप शैशव काल में हैं 4 साल के जैसे एक बच्चा होता है
जी।
एंड इतना कुछ आप कर रहे
जी
हैं इट इज़ हाईली अप्रिशिएबल आई ब्लेस फ्रॉम द कोर ऑफ माई हार्ट एंड I pray to God
Ji.
that every year you should reach to the new heights
Wow.
and reach to many village remote areas and spread the message and how we can empower through technology and education.
Wonderful.
I want to appreciate and all the best. God bless you. एंड आपकी 4 साल की जर्नी के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
Great, great. It was wonderful having Dr. Balbinder Singh Pathania ji in today's event. Thank you so much for being a part.
Thank you, thank you. I'm so happiest, vibrant personality.
Thank you, sir.
And pray for your growth
Thank you so
day by
much.
day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.